Negi kod doho mar alwora ma Nyamira olimotong counties ma Nyamira gi kesi matulo sebede mar temo yudo kendo keto kwe kanyakla kod keto ranyisi mag kiewo kind counties go. Apisas go mawuok National Lands Commission IBC kod mar doho mar alwora kanyo gilimo keroka komigi arita motegno. Justice Kamau Mugo mar doho mar alwora nowacho ni kanyakla gidhi ndiko report ewi kiewo moseketo pogruok kapok doho chiwo ng'eto mare.
I had directed the surveyors and the land registrars together with IBC as well as National Land Commission to come and point out where the boundary between the two counties is. And that sorts out the problem. As soon as we know where the boundary is, then each of the two counties will collect revenue on their site. And this is a boundary that was marked a long time ago. It has been there. I don't know why there is a dispute now.
Otherwise, as a commission, as I said, we were enjoined by the petitioner and we were summoned by the court, and we made it clear to the court that the commission is an impartial commission, and this exercise also helps the commission in its mandate, because the commission also has a mandate in oversight on matters of planning.
Let every person take home his own tomatoes. What I mean by that, anything by the name of Nyaribari in Bumobia scheme should land in Kisi. And anything in Mwamangana scheme in Kitutu should go to Kitutu. And we only respect the political boundaries that are there, that have been given by IBC, because the IBC boundaries are clear, and the boundaries on the yellow line. The maps are there. You cannot come to use foreign maps here and then you are just telling us that those are the boundaries. No.
Also, this as advised by my lawyers, that once the report is filed in court, that the court can be able to look at this issue and give judgment as soon as possible, so that you can continue offering services to the people of Keroka.
Jalup Jatend Piny Rigathi Gachagua